Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today we're tackling a super simple but useful topic: how to find your steps on your iPhone. Let's get right to it. First, you need to open the Health app on your iPhone. Once you're in, you'll usually land on the summary page. It should look something like this. Now you might already see your steps pinned here, like I do. But if not, no worries. Just tap on Browse in the bottom right corner. Then tap on Activity. Scroll down a bit, and you should see the Steps card. As you can see, I'm currently at 4,000 steps. Tap on that card to see more details. Here you can filter your step data by day, week, month, 6 months, or even a whole year. Keep scrolling down, and you'll find even more info about your steps. Want to pin your steps to the main summary page for easy access? Here's how. Go back to the summary page, and tap the Edit button right under your profile icon. You can either search for steps in the search bar, or find it under the Activity tab. Once you've found it, just tap the plus icon next to it. Then tap Done in the top right corner. And there you go. Your steps are now pinned to the summary page. Want to rearrange the order of these pinned cards? Easy. Tap Edit again, and then simply drag and drop the cards to your preferred order. I'll put steps at the top. Tap Done, and as you can see, the cards are reorganized. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone, and we'll see you in the next one.